In this video, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Venza key fob to replace the internal battery at home. There are some versions of this device that have just 3 buttons. You can see mine has 4. If yours has 3, but it looks just like this, don't worry, it's the same device. The process to open it up will be the same, and this battery will also be the same. So just follow along with me here. Now you will need one of these CR1632 batteries. And if you don't know where to get one of those, or you'd like to get one online, I will put a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks, and then you can just follow along with me. So the first step here is to hold down the button on the side. You can see it says push right there. Just hold that down while you pull out the internal key. Now this is the keyhole, and that is a little indentation in the plastic. We're going to take a regular old flathead screwdriver and insert it into that area. And just twist, and that will open up this device. You can pull it apart with your fingers and set this to the side for now. And you just want to gently remove this circuit board that also houses the battery. Up in the top on the corner, you can see there is a little opening, kind of a space right above the battery. Just use the same tool to go in there and pry the battery out. It doesn't take much force. You're just getting the corner of your tool behind the battery. I'd recommend putting your thumb on it so it doesn't fly out, and just pry the battery out. Once more, this is a CR1632 battery, and when you're putting it in, make sure the positive side goes face up. So you'll click it in, and you want to see all of that text and that plus sign facing up. And you can just finish up now by putting it all back together. You can see this circle here on the back of the back piece of plastic. The battery will sit directly on top of that circle. So set that in there, and now just click the 2 halves of the device back together and put your key back in there, and you are all set. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments section, or just by giving this video a like so it can reach more people and help them too. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every device from every make and model. And you can also see all that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.